Your Zendesk tickets are piling up overnight and nobody's doing anything about it. You searched for hours since in triggers and came up empty, right? That's because time-based conditions only exist in automations, and most admins get this wrong. Here's the key difference. Triggers are event-based. They fire the instant a ticket changes. Automations are time-based. They run on a schedule and use hours since conditions. If you need something to happen after time passes, automations are your only option. Zendesk gives you a full set of status-based conditions to work with. Hours since created, open, pending, on hold, and solved. These let you measure exactly how long a ticket has been sitting in any given status. Beyond status, you can track assignment timing and SLA compliance. Hours since assigned, hours since last update, and even hours until your next SLA breach. One thing to note though, there's no hours since closed condition, because closed tickets can't be modified. This trips people up all the time. Calendar hours count 24/7, so 48 hours means exactly 2 days, but business hours only count your working schedule, so 24 business hours could mean 3 full business days. Choose wisely based on whether you're tracking SLAs or just doing housekeeping. Here's how Zendesk actually counts time. Automations run once per hour on all non-closed tickets. The first check after a condition is met counts as hour 0. This means your timing can be off by up to an hour, so keep that in mind when setting thresholds. Let's build a real automation. Start by heading to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, Business Rules, and finally Automations. This is where all your time-based rules live. For our example, we'll auto-solve pending tickets after 48 hours. Set the status to pending, hours since pending greater than 48, and add a tag condition checking that auto-solved is not present. That tag condition is crucial, and we'll explain why next. Without a nullifying condition, your automation fires every single hour on the same ticket. The fix is simple. Check that a tag isn't present in your conditions, then add that same tag as an action. Once it runs, the ticket no longer matches, and the loop stops. Now set your actions, add the nullifying tag, change the status to solved, and optionally notify the requester. Letting customers know their ticket was auto-resolved with an option to reopen creates a much better experience than silently closing things. This is the #1 mistake admins make. Using is24 means Zendesk has to catch the ticket at exactly hour 24, but since automations run hourly, it can easily miss that narrow window. Always use greater than instead. It gives your automation a wide net to catch every qualifying ticket. Once you've got the basics down, the possibilities open up. Auto-solve pending tickets, send reminder emails before closing, escalate stale tickets to senior agents, close solved tickets after 4 days, or warn about upcoming SLA breaches. Let automations handle the timing so your team can focus on the hard problems. Automations handle timing, but what about intelligence? Eesel AI adds a smart triage layer that reads ticket intent and urgency instantly. Instead of waiting hours to escalate, AI routes tickets to the right team immediately, and your automations handle the follow-up sequences. Ready to automate smarter? Combine Zendesk's time-based automations with Eesel AI's intelligent triage. Try it free for 7 days, no credit card required. Visit eesel.ai to get started.